In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the contract address of any Bep20 token on Binance Smart Chain. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding how to find a contract address is crucial for verifying tokens and ensuring your transactions go smoothly. So, let's get started and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, head over to bscscan.com. BSC Scan is an essential tool for anyone working with the Binance Smart Chain. It's similar to Etherscan but dedicated to Binance. This platform allows you to track transactions, inspect token details, and verify contract information. When you arrive at the homepage, you'll see a search bar, which is where our journey to find the contract address begins. Now in that search bar, enter the token name you're interested in. For example, try searching for Cake or BUSD. This is perhaps the easiest part as it requires knowing only the token's ticker or full name. Once you hit enter, you'll see a list of search results that could include various related tokens, different versions, or even similarly named projects. Here comes the important part. You need to click on the correct token from those search results. This ensures you are accessing the right page for the token you are interested in. If you're ever unsure which token is correct, it's helpful to check the market rank or other identifiers shown in the results to guide your choice. Once you've selected the correct token, it will take you to the token's dedicated page. Here, a wealth of information about the token will be displayed, but what you're specifically looking for is the contract address. It's usually located at the top of the page and is clearly labeled. This is the string of numbers and letters that identifies the smart contract on the blockchain. It's literally the key to ensuring transactions involve the correct token. Now, you'll want to copy the contract address. This step is critical if you're intending to make a transaction, add the token to a wallet, or interact with it in any way. A quick tip, be careful when copying the address to ensure that no extra spaces or errors are included. You always want accuracy in your transactions to avoid potential losses. Finally, it's crucial to double check the contract address you've copied with official Binance listings or another reputable source. This cross-referencing step is vital to avoid scams. Scammers can sometimes create fake tokens with names similar to popular ones, which can trick you into losing your assets. Verifying with a trustworthy source will help protect you from these risks. And there you have it, you've learned how to find and verify the contract address of any BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. Remember, being cautious and thorough with these steps can save you from potential headaches down the road. I hope this guide was helpful, and thank you for joining me today.